You ready?
Is this a video? Can you take my phone charger and fit in that?
Hey, you ready?
Oh no, just don't unplug anything, because if my surround sound I'm gonna flip the fuck out, nigga. Yeah, that took me an hour to rehook up and redo this.
Burp number 1. I missed it.
That was the cleat, dude.
Alright, hey. We're running at 35 seconds. What do you got?
You gotta get it ready.
I can't do it. Yeah, I already did.
What the fuck? I've seen it. That looked like LeBron's face, dude.
That was a Dr. Pepper burp. He's drinking Coke. That's why he can't burp.
Well, I said, dude, you should just masturbate. He said, I can only have some things to do, but I will when I have time.
Hey, Rob, you're losing.
Dude, you haven't taken a drink, dude. You tried.
You're gonna make this YouTube video suck, bro. Alright, let's see what he got.
Dude, it's almost gone.
Finish that right now.
Chug it, dude. Dude, I could go chug a Dr. Pepper.
Here it is, ladies and gentlemen. I think I win. What?
I haven't finished yet, but I don't want to throw up because I'm feeling it now.
This YouTube video sucks.